To create a text-to-video using Google's Flow AI, start by navigating to the Flow landing page. This is Google's AI Creative Studio, where you can see high-quality examples of what their advanced models can produce. To begin, click the Create with Flow button. Once the workspace loads, you will see your project dashboard. To start a new creation, click the New Project button at the bottom. If you don't have a specific prompt ready, you can select one of the samples provided. Let's go with the Red Suit Theater sample prompt. Now let's configure the settings. Click the Settings icon and ensure the mode is switched from image to video. In the Ingredients tab, you can set your aspect ratio. We'll use 16:9 for a cinematic look. Next, you can choose the number of video variations you want to generate. You have the option to create 1, 2, 3, or 4 outputs per prompt. As you can see, requesting 3 or 4 versions at once requires a premium upgrade, so we will select 2 outputs to generate 2 different versions of our video. For the model selection, we'll use VEO 0.1 Fast. This model costs 40 credits and provides a great balance of speed and quality. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click the Generate button. The interface will now display 2 separate rendering windows, representing the 2 outputs we requested. You can track the progress percentage as the AI interprets the text and renders the motion. Once finished, the videos will appear in your gallery. Let's preview the first one. Notice the fluid motion of the character in the realistic environment. A great feature here is that Flow also generates synchronized audio to match the action on screen. The second version gives us a different take on the same prompt, providing a new angle and character movement. You can review the prompt details on the right to see how keywords like vantage point and grainy film were applied. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more AI tips and guides.